Hi, hello, this is Giri, teaching 10th Mathematics, the chapter Statistics. Here are the questions and solutions from exercise 14.3 and this is 43 video. In this video, we will learn the question number 5 and question number 7 of exercise 14.3. Dear children, here is question number 5. Find the median of the lifetime of 400 neon lamps. I shall repeat. Find the median of the lifetime of 400 neon lamps. The first row consists the lifetime of the lamps and second row consists number of lamps. If you observe this, 1500 to 2000 hours, the number of lamps is 14, and in between 2000 to 2500 the number of lamps 56, and between 2500 to 3000 number of lamps is 60, between 3000 to 3500 the number of lamps 86. You know that there are three central Dear children, do you know how many measures of central tendencies are there? Good. There are three measures of central tendencies. Out of the three, the first is arithmetic mean, second is median, and the third is mode. Now, we will find the median for this group of data. In order to find the median, we may consider the lifetime in hours as classes, and we may consider the number of lamps as frequencies. Besides classes and frequencies, you have to construct another column which is cumulative frequency. Now look at this table now. The first column is for classes, you see here. The second column is for frequency and the third is for cumulative frequency. Now the first class 1500 to 2000, the frequency is 14. 2000 to 2500, the frequency is 56. 2500 to 3000, the frequency is 60. 3000 to 3500, the frequency is 86. 3500 to 4000, frequency is 74. 4000 to 4500, frequency is 62. And 4500 to 5000, the frequency is 48. After writing these two columns, you better to find out the sum of the frequencies. Sum of the frequencies may be represented with small letter n. If we add up all these frequencies, then you may get 400. 400 is sum of all these frequencies. The next column is now for cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency of a class is nothing but the sum of the frequencies up to that class. That is, for the first class, the cumulative frequency is nothing but the frequency itself because there are no preceding classes. Therefore, 14. The next class cumulative frequency is 14 plus 56 is 70. And this column, for this class cumulative frequency is 70 plus 60, 130. 130 plus 86, 216. 216 plus 74, 290. 290 plus 62, 352. 352 plus 48 is 400. Therefore, sum of the frequencies is 400. After finding the sum of the frequencies, that is after getting n value, you find out n by 2. N by 2 means 400 by 2 is 200. Now, you have to pick up the median class. How to get median class? Median class is nothing but the class in which n by 2 score may lie. You see, n by 2 value is 200. Therefore, you have to pick up a class which is having 200th score. Here, up to this class, there are 130 scores. And from 131 to 216, the remaining scores may lie here. Therefore, this class is median class. Otherwise, you verify this cumulative frequency column and you may pick up the class whose cumulative frequency just more than 200. This is the value which is just more than 200. Therefore, you can consider this as median class. If this is the median class, then L value, lower boundary is 3000. The frequency of the median class 36 is F. The cumulative frequency of the class preceding to median class is 130, which is CF. Now let us write the formula for median. Okay, the median formula. The median of any group of data is given by L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. Here L value is 3000, n value is 400, F value is 86, CF value is 130 and H value is 500. Now let us substitute these values in the given formula. Median is equal to L means 3000 plus n by 2, 400 by 2 is 200 minus CF is 130 divided by F is 86 into H is 500. This is 3000 plus 200 minus 130 is 70 by 86 into 500. Now let us simplify this. Let us multiply 70 with 500 so that you will get 3500 by 86, whose value is equal to 406.97. You may add this 406.97 to 3000 so that you will get the median 3406.97. Therefore, median of the given group of data is equal to 3406.97. Understood? Now let us solve an important question from this exercise. This is question number 7 now. Find the median of the weight of 30 students of a class. I shall repeat. Find the median of the weights of 30 students of a class. Weight in kgs and the number of students. And in between 40 to 45 kgs, the number of students in the class is 2. And in between 45 to 50 kgs, number of students in the class is 3. And in between 50 to 55, number of students 8. 55 to 60, 6. 60 to 65, 6. 65 to 70, 3. 70 to 75, 2. This is the group of data. For this group of data, you have to find the median. Again, we will consider the weight in kgs as classes and the number of students as frequencies. Now, what is the third column we required to find median, dear children? Good. Besides classes and frequencies, we need another column. What is that? Cumulative frequency. Now, let us construct a table with 3 columns and let us name the first column as classes and second column as frequency and third column as cumulative frequency. Now, you see here, the first class 40 to 45, the frequency is 2. Second class 45 to 50, the frequency is 3. Third class 50 to 55, the frequency is 8. Next class 55 to 60, the frequency is 6. 60 to 65, the frequency is 6. 65 to 70, the frequency is 3. And in between 70 to 75, the frequency is 2. These are the classes and these are the frequencies. After writing the frequencies, you may sum up these frequencies. You may add these frequencies. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 8, 13. 13 plus 6, 19. 19 plus 6, 25. 25 plus 3, 28 plus 2 is 30. Now, the third column is for cumulative frequency. I already told you how to find the cumulative frequency. First, you write the frequency of the first class as it is 2. Next, 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 8, 13. 13 plus 6, 19. 19 plus 6, 25. 25 plus 3, 28. 28 plus 2 is 30. Therefore, the sum of the frequencies is given by n is equal to 30. After getting n value, you have to find out n by 2 value. 30 by 2 is 15. Now, you have to pick up a class which is having this 1 by n by 2 score. Here, if you observe the cumulative frequency column, 2, 5, 13, all these are less than n by 2 value. But this is the value which is just more than n by 2. Therefore, this class is median class. If this is the median class, then L means lower boundary is 55. The frequency of the median class F is equal to 6, and the cumulative frequency of the class above the median class is 13, which is equal to CF. Now let us write the formula for median. Median formula. You see here, median for the group data is equal to L plus N by 2 minus CF by F into H. Here L value is 55, N value is 30, F value is 6, CF value is 13, and H means height of the class. Height of the class is nothing but the difference between any two successive lower boundaries or difference between any two successive upper boundaries, which is equal to 5. Now you substitute. Therefore median is equal to L means 55 plus N by 2, 30 by 2 is 15, minus CF is 13 by F is 6 into H is 5. 55 plus 15 minus 13 is 2 divided by 6 into 5. Now you can cancel 2 in 6 3 times. Therefore this is 55 plus 1 into 5 is 5 by 3. If you divide 5 by 3, you will get 1.67. If we add 1.67 to 55, then you will get 56.67. Therefore, median of this group of data is 56.67. Dear children, by this you can conclude the chapter statistics. Though there is an exercise 14.4 which contains graph, those questions may not appear in the public examination. Dear children, as per the AP annual academic calendar, exercise 14.1, 14.2 and 14.3 are to be learned by the students. But whereas exercise 14.4 is given as an optional exercise. Either you may learn it or you need not. I may explain 1 or 2 questions in the next video. It is announced that no question from 14.4 may be given in the public examination for this year. Thank you one and all.